Good morning everyone. This is EH Harshita. We are from class 9 IIT-A1. This is simple model of our India's pride, the Chandrayaan-3. Chandrayaan-3 is India's ambitious and successful lunar mission. The primary goal of this mission is to achieve a soft landing on the southern pole of our moon surface. India is the only country to reach this part of the moon so far, specifically targeting the southern pole of our moon surface where the presence of water and ice has been confirmed. Dr. P. Veeramuthuval was a top scientist of our Indian Space Research Organization, was a project director of lunar mission. It is a third mission by Chandrayaan program and successful mission by Indian Space Research Organization. It consists of three modules: propulsion, lander and rover. It is named as Vikram lander. Vikram Sarabhai is the father of the Indian space program. It is named as Vikram rover. The total weight of the mission is 3,900 kilograms and the total cost of this Chandrayaan mission is approximately 615 crore. The first stage is powered by the solid fuel and the second stage is powered by liquid fuel and the final stage compresses by cryogenic engine. Thank you for giving this great opportunity.